Hi, Group 2. My name's Jessica. I'm going to be reviewing your speech. Um, First, I want to say I really liked how you input it all into Prezi. That was a really neat way to use that presentation software. Um, I do, however, like that you had the second option because about half of the speeches worked and then they wouldn't play. So I'm really glad that you had the backup so I could listen to your entire speech. Overall, I really liked your speech. It was a really well thought out, and I really liked learning about team building. I thought it was a really neat idea. Being a group speech, talking about groups. How cool. So I had two main things that really kind of covered everyone. So I wanted to highlight those things. First of all, I wanted to say I could see a lot of you guys were doing gestures, and that was really cool to be able to see more of what you're doing and to speak with your body. However, seeing only about here, your gestures get really limited. So something I got from the call feedback on my first speech that seemed to help since then is if you show from your belly up, it gives you more body to show and more of your gesturing to work. Sarah, you did this and it worked really well. One thing for you specifically is it looked like you were holding your mouse or the counter or something, and that was a little distracting. Alexander, there wasn't as much gesturing or it was like really small. So I'd like to see more with that. For myself, I think that gesturing can really help aid in points and can really just help engage and keep the pace of the speech going. And speaking of pace, I thought everyone's verbal pacing was really well. It was a little varied, but that worked because of the length of the speech and just the different subtopics. Troy, I think that you were kind of a mid-range, and it really pulled me in. Cecilia, you're a little quicker, and that pulled me up and engaged me more. Lorraine, that you're a little bit slower and steady, but I think that worked really well with personality types, and so forth. So I thought that was really well, really good facial expressions, and overall, I really liked the topic. I think your transitions worked really well between everybody, and just really well thought out. So great job, and keep up the good work. All right, bye.